Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a headlight. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a new headlight bulb, and some protective gloves. It's crucial to ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down before you begin. Then, open the hood to easily access the headlight assembly. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. Look for the two retaining pins located at the top of the headlight assembly. Carefully pull these pins straight out to release the unit. Once the pins are removed, you can gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action provides the necessary space to access the bulb from behind. With the assembly pulled forward, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. To finish up, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinsert the two retaining pins firmly to secure the assembly in place. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Lastly, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly and properly aligned. This completes the replacement process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.